There are different ways to make money writing articles. You can find a website which pay writers and you can write article for them. Or you can join a network to find freelance writing jobs. iWriter, Freelancer, Upwork and Textbroker are very popular website where you can find freelancing job. We have already discussed what type of articles you can write, how to choose a catchy headline for your blog post, and minimum and maximum length of articles. Let's suppose now you want to write for a website such as sidepoint.com. So visit sidepoint.com and see what type of content they are publishing. Now you can see different categories: business, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, revenue management, legal, freelancing, and so many different topics. And you can write articles about these topics. Now see some headlines: how to earn passive income by creating digital info products. Another headline: 6 proven strategies for managing large teams of freelancers. Read few articles. Let's read this article: how to earn passive income by creating digital info products. We have already discussed that SidePoint accepts short, medium and lengthy articles, and you can write different type of articles for sidepoint.com. Read this article and see the format of article. We have a heading and an intro paragraph, and then you can see subheadings and list points. So when you write for SidePoint, keep these points in your mind. Write a catchy headline and then write short paragraphs. Also add subheadings in your article, and you can also see images in this article. So don't forget to add screenshots or related images in your article as well. So how to write an article? Catchy headline, use subheadings, use images and screenshots in your article, write small paragraphs, and research. Now you know that SidePoint accepts articles about email marketing and you want to write about email marketing. Just go to Google and search for email marketing and related topics such as email marketing tips. You can see different articles: 15 email marketing tips for small business, 37 tips for writing emails, and some other articles. Read few articles about email marketing tips and email marketing tools and start writing article. Never copy paste, always write original content. After reading few articles about email marketing and email marketing tools and email marketing apps, you will be able to write article in your own words. If you are already using any email marketing software, you can share your own experience in article, or you can explain how to use a specific email marketing software or tool. Once your article is complete, you can submit your article.